Hi, my name is Eddie Williams. I'm with Uris Williams & Sons Orchards. We have an operation that's been in business since the 60s. My father had bought the farm with about 250 trees. Now we have about 4,500 trees, and we're situated in Saint Antoine. And we have our U-Pick's been in operation for over 25 years, and we have about 5 different varieties like Macintosh, Cortlands, Lobo, Ginger Gold, and Empires. And we'd like to invite everybody to come down and see us and enjoy a good stay at the orchard.